And it's because it just spins up. Oh. In that colour, but it's a spider. Let's make it sparkle. I'll see you in a bit. It's a very cold, early start to a Saturday, and we've got a lot of things to do today. As the title suggests, I'm getting an ALFA ROMEO 4C, well, kind of, and I will explain everything as the day goes on. But first, we're heading over to Aldershot, Bishop's Abarth, because I'm kicking off a brand new series for the channel, which is a kind of exploring interior and exterior overviews of some cars to try and provide some value to anybody who wants to buy one. So, let's get going. It's going to be a long day. Let's do this. The most important part of any kind of filming on an early start is to make sure you get a coffee. Let's see what's going on inside in Abarth Bishops. Oh, very, very nice. There you go. This is the Abarth Bishop showroom. Looking good, looking good. Hang on a minute. Hang on a minute. I remember you from somewhere. What's
good morning, sir.
Hello,
good
how
morning.
Are you? You all right?
Not bad, you?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good. Welcome, this is your place to work, right?
Yeah, welcome to Bishop's Abarth.
I'm loving it, I'm loving it. So, I have to give a huge shout out to JJ and Bishop's Abarth in general because they've allowed me to come down here to film something quite special.
Yeah, come with me.
Let's have a look,
right,
let's have a look.
Let's
Oh, I'm excited!
It's like a big entry, isn't it?
It is, it is.
It is a big entry.
The anticipation is killing me.
Shall we go a bit slow?
Let's just do this. Oh, oh, oh yeah. And that is why you get the keys before you allow me to come to this. But whilst JJ gets the keys, let's have a quick look at this. Stunning. That is absolutely stunning. So guys, I'm literally about to now start filming a video that you guys are going to see probably after this one. It'll probably be the next video, but it's going to be specifically on the 695 Rivale, and I'm going to catch up with you guys in a bit. Oh, that looks so sick. Look at that. So JJ, is this one for sale as well?
Yeah, 15,999.
So guys, the Yamaha 695, this is also for sale. So obviously I've come down to shoot the Rivale, but seeing as Bishops have been kind enough to let me come down and film, it's worth plugging cars they've got for sale. So yeah, cameras actually do make these cars look very clean, I must say. But when you get up and close, guys, look at that. Look at that. This is horrendous. And the problem I have is because in the wintertime, my driveway turns into a complete sludge field. And it's really annoying and it just demoralizes me for cleaning because I'm literally gonna clean it and then I'm gonna drive it back to the house and it's gonna be dirty again. So that was a pretty good shoot this morning. Early start, but definitely worth it. The 695 Rivale looks absolutely stunning, by the way. And yeah, massive shout out to Bishops for letting me film that. Feels like a while since we've done an in-car chat, if you like. And to be fair, you guys haven't heard the car for a while. So let's have a bit of a blast. See, this is why I don't bother making videos in the winter with this car. And it's because it just spins up. Oh. There you go, bit of a daily fix. We've hooned the Abarth 595. Right, let's turn ASBO mode off. Shut the valve a bit. And let's talk about the title of this video. Now, obviously, I was very fortunate enough to be given the Abarth 124 Spider by Abarth themselves last year, which was absolutely insane. I really enjoyed that car. I loved it. Had it for a month. It was absolutely incredible. And I've done a bit of mingling and I've asked some questions, and FCA themselves have said that they'll be able to loan me, or lend me even, an Alfa Romeo 4C, and I'll have it for 10 days, which is good considering what kind of car that is. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along on a bit of a journey, because the Alfa 4C is one of my dream cars. I've talked about it before. If I was to replace this for something, I've talked about it. The Alfa 4C is definitely a car that I would potentially consider if I was to replace the Abarth 595. But the flip side to that is it's a very aggressive kind of car. So I'll be really intrigued to see what it's like to daily a 4C for 10 days, because it would probably give me a bit more of a feel as to what it'd be like to own, and whether I would need a second car if I bought the Alfa 4C. But right now we're on our way over to Alfa Romeo near the house, and the reason we're doing that is because I want to show you it. I want to show you a quick little glimpse, a little couple of cheeky cinematics of the 4C, and yeah, I pretty much started my day bringing you guys along, so I may as well finish my day with you guys with me. That's the part of the vlog, the grind, the YouTube grind that we put ourselves through, but I absolutely love it. I love it. So I'm going to get going, I'm going to make my way there, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Let's do this. So guys, as I mentioned when we were in the car, the 4C has always been one of my dream cars, and I am so excited to be able to have this car for 10 days. It's going to be an absolute blast. We're going to make loads of videos. It's going to be absolutely awesome. But this isn't the exact car I'm getting. But the one I'm actually going to get in that colour, but it's a Spider. So obviously we're looking there at the yellow coupe with the Abarth looking pretty there. That's stunning. That is stunning. But guys, I need your help. I need your help because I want you guys to tell me what kind of content you would like me to make with the Alfa 4C. So drop some comments below, suggestions of what kind of videos that you want to see. All right, back in the car. So I'm gonna go and do the boring stuff because you guys probably don't want to see me washing the car. I'll catch up with you when it's done and when it's looking a lot cleaner. Because it's, chill out, mate. It's looking a lot cleaner because right now it looks an absolute tip. So let's make it sparkle. I'll see you in a bit. And so she is clean, she is all done. I hope you guys have enjoyed the cinematics of this video. I hope you've enjoyed the video in general. I'm now gonna chill for the rest of the day, and I've got the meet tomorrow, which is the video you guys just saw, but it hasn't happened yet for me. So guys, my name's been Stef. You guys have been awesome. Hit subscribe, make me happy, and I will see you all on the next one. Thank you, bye-bye.